Canon fans, the wait is finally over. The brand new Canon EOS R7 Mark II is here, and it's making serious waves in the camera world. Camera with flash. In today's video, we're diving deep into this long-awaited successor to the hugely popular R7. From its brand new stacked APS-C sensor and lightning-fast 30 frames per second burst shooting to its AI-powered autofocus and stunning 6K oversampled 4K video, this camera is being called a true hybrid powerhouse. But the big question is, does it actually live up to the hype, and more importantly, is it really worth upgrading from the original R7? Stick around as we break down the design changes, image quality, video specs, and real-world performance to reveal the truth about the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. Let's get into it. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The camera world in 2025 is buzzing with excitement as Canon finally unveils the highly anticipated Canon EOS R7 Mark II, the successor to the wildly popular EOS R7. Positioned as the flagship APS-C mirrorless camera in Canon's R lineup, the R7 Mark II is being marketed as a hybrid powerhouse designed for both photographers and videographers who crave performance without breaking the bank. But with competition heating up from Sony, Nikon, and even Fujifilm, many are asking the all-important question: is the Canon EOS R7 Mark II really worth the upgrade? To answer that, we're going to take a deep dive into every aspect of this camera. Its design, performance, new features, image quality, video specs, and overall value, to see whether it lives up to the hype. The original Canon EOS R7 quickly became one of the most beloved APS-C mirrorless cameras on the market. Launched in 2022, it brought the best of Canon's mirrorless innovation into a more affordable and compact package, making it especially appealing for enthusiasts, hybrid creators, and wildlife and sports shooters who appreciated its lightning-fast autofocus and burst rates. It was praised for its 32.5 MP APS-C sensor, incredible dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, and its ability to shoot 4K 60p video without crop. But like any first-generation model, it wasn't perfect. Issues like rolling shutter in certain situations, limited buffer depth, and heat buildup during extended video recording left room for improvement. Now, with the R7 Mark II, Canon is promising to refine the formula, making it smarter, faster, and more reliable than ever. From the moment you pick up the Canon EOS R7 Mark II, one of the first things you'll notice is the subtle but meaningful changes in design and ergonomics. Canon has always excelled at creating cameras that feel natural in the hand, and the R7 Mark II continues that tradition with a slightly deeper grip, improved button layout, and an updated vari-angle LCD with higher resolution for sharper live view and playback. The electronic viewfinder has also seen an upgrade, now offering a brighter, higher refresh rate display that makes it easier to track fast-moving subjects with precision. Weather sealing has been improved as well, giving photographers confidence when shooting in challenging outdoor environments. But of course, the real story of the R7 Mark II lies inside its upgraded internals. At its heart is a new generation APS-C stacked CMOS sensor, paired with Canon's Digic X Plus processor. This combination delivers faster readout speeds, improved dynamic range, and drastically reduced rolling shutter. It's capable of capturing bursts at an incredible 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter, and up to 15 frames per second with a mechanical shutter, making it a dream